Okay, let's get rocking and rolling with Seesaw. In this video, where I'm going to show you how to log into Seesaw and create a class. And I'm going to ask you to go do that yourself by using these resources down here. And then this question is optional. This discussion is optional. If you have any questions about just really that first step of getting into Seesaw, which is creating a Seesaw, logging in, creating a class, just post that in the discussion here. And if not, just go ahead and scroll through and see if anybody else has posted questions that you might have the answers to. Okay, so to get into Seesaw, there's a couple ways you can do this, but I've provided a link here for you. Simply click on this. I'm going to right click and open in a new tab. This will take you to the Seesaw website. Up here in the top right hand corner, click log in. I am a teacher, so this is the same place that students and family members would join this as well. And then there's a couple ways to log in. I have a Google account, so I can click sign in with Google. If you have a ClassLink or Clever uh, option here, you can do that as well. Otherwise, you can just enter in your email and create a password, so you can create a teacher account there. I'm going to sign in with Google, uh, and that's going to get me in. So sign in in whatever way is most appropriate for you, and then it's going to drop you into a page that looks something like this. Yours might look a little bit different if you've never used Seesaw before, but what you're looking for is this button that says create new class. So I'm going to ask you to create a class that you're just going to play around with. This isn't actually something you're going to use with students yet, unless you want to go that route. But I'm going to refer to this as your sandbox class. So Seesaw sandbox for videos, because that's for me, but you can just call it sandbox or whatever you want. Right? I'm going to make this a third grade class. Doesn't really matter. And then when I am done, I simply hit this check mark. It's going to create my class and it's going to kick me right into here. So you'll notice you've got this little intro video here and some other things that you can mess around with. We are going to get into a lot of these things in later videos. I just want you to be able to get to this point. So right now, stop this video or wait till I'm done here in the next 15 seconds. Go to Seesaw by clicking that link, start your own course, make sure you can get to this page. And then if you run into any issues, post a response or any questions you might have about starting your initial Seesaw class.